Hi everyone. Welcome to this quick overview of two powerful tools you can use to make your courses more interactive and engaging: Creator Plus and Lumi Pro. Creator Plus and Lumi Pro are add-ons for D2L that lets you build interactive content directly inside your course. With Creator Plus, build your course content with interactive elements like accordions, tabs, flip cards, and hotspots. Embed videos with questions to keep learners engaged. No coding required. Everything is drag and drop friendly. Lumi Pro is a tool for creating interactive activities, things like assignments, discussions, and quizzes, and more. Creator Plus and Lumi Pro complement each other. Creator Plus is perfect for quick, in-course enhancements, while Lumi Pro gives you flexibility for more complex activities. Be sure to check out the step-by-step guides or the YouTube tutorials for these in the description below. Both tools are designed to make your teaching more interactive and engaging. Try them out and see how they transform your course experience. Thanks for watching.